Hello, miss. Welcome to my very unclean car. I know you guys been trying to get me for a while, so I'm gonna make a funky face so you can't use any of the clips. Like, I don't know. All right, let's do it. I'm gonna go check out the condenser. Okay, all set. It was beautiful maintenance. We got some filter changes, and we made sure that this system's gonna be up and running for the rest of the summer.
Let's go.
Let's get out of here. Next call, please. Thank you. All right, thanks, Nico. It's a hot day. And I typically like to drive 90 miles an hour because the name of our company is Be Right There. You know? Bye, thank you.